Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to TerryMelissaKitchen. And if you're new here, welcome to the family. Thank you for stopping by. Today I will be making Jamaican coconut drops. And for this recipe, you only need coconut, sugar, ginger, and salt. Here I have the ginger, which I'm going to grate. You can also blend it if you prefer it. I also have here 2 dried coconuts. You will need to break open the coconuts to remove the meat. This part will be a bit difficult if you've never done it before, so please pay attention to how I'm doing it to avoid cutting yourself. So guys, this part is optional, but for me personally, I like to scrape the outer part of the coconut to make it easier to cut up, and also it won't be hard on your teeth when you're eating it. After you finish scraping the coconuts, you then wash them thoroughly in cold water. And here comes the fun part, my favorite part. If this is your first time making this delicious dessert, just have a seat because it's going to take a while for you to cut it up. Okay? So guys, in Jamaica, especially if you're from the countryside, we use banana leaf to place the coconut drops on to let it cool. But if you have no access to banana leaf, parchment paper works just fine.